Hey, it's Sam here. Welcome to Instant Ecom Funnels. This is a brand new software that lets you sell ecom products without needing a store. So you don't need a Shopify store. You don't even need to be able to set up one page, the one-click store, shop pages, all these sorts of things. It actually uses the funnels, the trusted funnel. Okay, now what this base is based off is what works for us with online marketing. You have a sales page that is honed in towards that specific product. This is good because it allows it to be able to convert much better. You can send targeted traffic either from your email or through paid methods, Facebook ads, things like that, that is highly targeted to what you're selling. So on this, we've got a necklace on a demo here. However, if you're just selling sneakers, if you're selling shoes, you're selling t-shirts, all these sorts of different things, you can hone your Facebook marketing, you could hone your ad spend, or even your email marketing, depending on how segmented your list is, to send to a sales page that is specific to one specific product. This is proven to convert much higher than a store that is full of many products. These stores that are full of products convert around 0.2 to about 2%. Now, a dedicated sales page converts more around the 15 to 20% mark if done right, and this lets you do this. So let's take a look at how easy it is to do it with the software. It's very, very simple. It's step-by-step simple. So we can create a funnel. So I'm going to call this Sam Demo for the sake of this demo and click Create Funnel. Now I can add in pages within this demo funnel, so it's blank up here. So I'm going to, there's a number of different pages that we can have. We can add a free shipping page. So if we have free shipping for this product, as you can see, I can swap out this image, put my link to my own image in there. I can swap out the text, claim your discount. Oops, I'm pretty bad at typing today. Discount for only, whatever we want to put in here, $20. We can do all that. It's very easy. It's step by step. Just click and save it, sort of a scenario. To edit the link, our affiliate link could be an external link. Okay, so this could go to an Amazon affiliate product. This could go to our own product that's listed somewhere. Whatever we want, we can put that link in. We can also link to other bits within our funnel as well. So we can have link and have it link through a funnel as well to be able to sell it. You can do the countdown button as well by setting the countdown. You can customize a few of the elements within this as well. On the left here, we got the text customization and then different color customizations, adding in rows, all these sorts of things. It's very quick and easy to do, so you can go through and customize this page as much as you want. Now if I go back, as you can see, different sorts of pages. So we have thank you page, which is where you could just let the customer know that they've ordered something successfully. If we go back as well, we can add an upgrade. So once they've bought that, we can actually add an upgrade. So these could be different links as well to customize the order, okay, and let them buy more similar products and things like that as well. So it works in a similar principle for online marketing. Now, within this, if this all seems a bit confusing with the page builder, you have full training as well. Okay, so there is a full training area within it, teaches you how to do it. These include live webinar workshops. There's also a sequence of videos here that show you how to do everything. So it shows you how to build the pages like we just showed you. Shows you how to connect PayPal, so you can collect payments for what you're selling as well if you want to sell your own products. And then there is a selection of e-commerce training as well, and then some basic tutorial videos of how to do a lot of things. So there's quite a lot included in this. So I encourage you to check it out down below to find out more about how to do e-com without a store using Instant Ecom Funnels.